Hey there, everyone. Russ Hamilton here. Anyway, I just won a FOIL request from New York City, of all places. This happened at Rikers Island. This was corruption by an officer who decided to plant evidence and capture it on his very own body-worn camera. Needless to say, we are law enforcement and we should act like it. There's no room for this type of behavior. We have to follow the law. And above and beyond that, we even have to guarantee the civil rights of inmates. So I'm going to show this to you. I'm going to provide a link to my Substack where I wrote about this extensively. And I hope you guys will take something away from it. And here we go. So anyway, this starts with this incident where he had a conflict with this inmate. As you can see, pepper spray has been copiously applied.
Yeah, I need my glasses. I need my glasses off the floor, respectfully.
So he's going to walk down to the end of this hallway, and he's going to turn around and come back, gather up some papers, and then go into the cell.
Medical attention. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I need medical attention right now. I need medical attention right now. I need medical attention right now. I can't. I got you. I can't feel my legs.
So let me just stop right here. This is the typical kind of thing that goes on in most any incident. I think that everyone probably that watches this or any of the stuff that I do probably is already aware of that. But this is a typical aftermath of an incident up to this point. We're going to get to the point about the wrongdoing in just a few more seconds here.
I can't feel my legs. I can't feel my legs. I can't feel my legs. I can't feel my legs.
You just had me.
My arm, right? All right, you trying to break my arm? Yo, on my left, right? You on my right, right? You spin on my left? It's breaking my wrist and arm. I got you, though. I got you. I can't feel my legs. I'm telling you. And my heart is racing fast. All this is I'm Muslim and I don't want to be strict first. All this, yes, it do. It's all good, though. It's all good. Yes, he said.
All right, so don't blink. We're about to get to the part where this is planted. If you look up above the sink, there's going to be a piece of like colored paper there. I think it's out of a magazine or something. And he's going to place the shank that he's planting under that. He's going to go to the back of the room. He's going to come back, flush the toilet, and then make his discovery. And then a little while after that, he's going to come back out of the cell. He's going to walk back in. And then he's going to make his transmission, and he's going to activate his body cam, which is already activated, obviously. And then he's going to detail what he's discovered, whose cell it belongs to, in order to record the evidence that he just planted. Here we go. Don't blink. There he is planting it.
Yo, you better pull my sticks up, bro. I'm not moving and I can't feel that boy. I think I'm old.
Shows it to someone to prove that he found it there.
On 929, Officer Rosario. Discovered the sharpened piece of plexiglass. Inside of cell number 24. 25. Occupied by inmate Todd Drayton. I'm not walking. I got his info. What you looking for, brother? My radio.
So anyway, that's the main part of the video. If you want to watch the rest, you can go over to my Substack. I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe there. You can subscribe for free, or you can get the paid deal. Anyway, this is Russ Hamilton. I'm going to sign off. I will put those links in this. I hope that all of you remain safe, remain professional, and I'll catch you on the very next one.